Hello friends, how are you? Today is gonna be a super fun video. We are gonna pretend, because that's what social media is, right? It's a lot of pretending. Like I am going on a Valentine's Day date, even though today is not in fact Valentine's Day, but I'm filming this video as if it was, okay? I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me Valentine's Day date edition. We're gonna do a little bit of makeup. We're gonna do a little bit of hair. We're gonna pick out a cute little outfit. And at the end, we're gonna see what I would look like if I was going out on a hot Valentine's Day date tonight with my husband. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, you know the drill. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there so that you don't miss any more fun. And I've actually already prepped my skin and it's looking and feeling amazing. That's the first step in any get ready with me is skin prep. And I wanna thank 1006.
It's actually called Formula 1006 to be exact.
For sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to bring you their affordable yet effective skincare line. I'm gonna go ahead and go back in time real quick and show you how I prepped my skin for this video.
So today I'm going in with Formula 1006 skincare line to prep my skin, and this is a company that has actually been family owned and operated for 88 years now. And this brand's goal is to make effective skincare that is simple, smart, but doesn't have the hefty price tag. And to start off, I'm going in with their Best Face Forward Foaming Face Wash, and this face wash has green tea and chamomile to help calm the skin, and it also has passion fruit to help balance out the complexion for sparkling clear skin. I really like to go in and take my time to really make sure that my face is nice and cleansed. Next up, we have two amazing face masks. We have their Pores Be Pure Mud Mask, which is a clarifying mask, and then the Get Your Glow On Brightening Mask. Today, because I have some breakouts, I've had some acne going on, I'm going in with their mud mask, and you can see it's very much like that clay type of consistency. And this particular mask is really great for oily skin, or it can be used to spot treat really oily areas, which typically I'm very dry, but because I was dealing with some crazy breakouts, I really wanted to go in and just use this all over the skin to really clarify and help just get all of my pores nice and clean. And this mask has strawberry and rosemary to help eliminate impurities, and it creates a nice smooth and balanced complexion. You leave it on for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then just rinse it off. And let me tell you, my skin felt so smooth every time I use this. My skin just feels so smooth. Next up, we have their So Totally Clean Toner. This again is very good for blemish, acne prone skin. And because I was having so many hormonal breakouts, I really wanted to try to dry out those breakouts. And when I'm having active breakouts, I like to use this about 2 to 3 times a week. And last up, I'm going in with the Thirst No More Daily Moisturizer. This is a super lightweight formula that just leaves your skin feeling nice and soft. It sinks in very quickly. It does not leave the skin greasy, and it has hyaluronic acid, which helps to plump the skin as well. And there you have it. My skin is nice and prepped. Make sure to check out Formula 1006 for yourself. They are a botanically driven, environmentally responsible, and cruelty-free formula. I promise you, you'll love it, and it won't break the bank. That's the best part.
Okay, now that my skin is all prepped and clean and ready to go, first thing I'm gonna go in with is a primer. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I don't have a ton of time, so we're just gonna fly on through this. I wanna be glowy, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 product. I'm obsessed with it, so we gotta look glowy for our hot Valentine's Day hypothetical date. I want a foundation that's not gonna move around, but I still want to look a little glowy, so I'm going in with the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced and the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. I'm mixing these two, and this gives me a long-lasting, like, beautiful, glowy look. And it's time to blend all of that in. Also, I had to remove my earrings so that I can like really get in there and blend. I am trying out the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer for the first time. I've heard that this is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, which has always been a holy grail of mine since it came out. So I figured I would give this a go. This is the shade, what shade is this? 330 Ivory. I figured this would be a good shade to put underneath the eyes. All right, let me blend this and see if it actually is a dupe. We will have to see how this wears, but first impression, Holy coverage. I mean, this definitely gives you the same coverage as Tarte Shape Tape, and it's looking good right now. As long as it doesn't crease on me, then we're gonna be looking good. Okay, next up is a little bit of contour. I'm going in with the KVD gel, liquid gel contour. I'm just going in with just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way with this product, I feel like. Just a little bit around there. Just using my e.l.f. sponge to blend that in. So good. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder just to set right underneath of my eyes, just so that nothing budges. We don't want anything moving around on our hypothetical date. Then to further warm up the skin, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Forever Sunkissed Bronzer. You want contour and bronzer that is not going to budge. Then first do a liquid gel or cream contour and then top it with powder, and I'm telling you, it's not going anywhere. Now it is time for blush. That always just brings life back to the face. And same goes for blush. If you really want a blush to stay put and just be really pigmented from morning till night, last you all day long, then go in with a cream and then top it with a powder. This is the Narrs Orgasm Air Matte Blush. I'm just gonna go in with just a tiny bit of that and just pat that on as my cream base. And this is the Milani Luminoso blush. It just is so pretty. It has a gorgeous sheen to it. This is like a OG. I feel like anyone that is into makeup has probably used this blush. Now, since this is date night, I have to be shining. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. That's what it is. And I'm just using the tiniest bit in the cap with the e.l.f. Putty Blush brush and just put that right on the cheekbones. I mean, are you joking? This stuff is just, holy macaroni, this is so good. Let me get shining like a disco ball. I'll be back. And I feel like I am giving new meaning to shining for Jesus, because I'm pretty sure he can see me from heaven. Now it's time for brows, my least favorite part of my makeup routine. I am gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I haven't used this in a hot minute. NYX Professional Makeup Brow Tint Pen, and I use Ash Brown. This is really boring, so I'm gonna fast forward through this part because y'all really don't want to sit here for 20 minutes and watch me do my brows. What my husband really loves is he loves a good wing. So I'm gonna keep the eye look pretty simple, and I'm gonna really focus on doing a nice wing liner. But I'm gonna go in with this palette, the Juvia's Nubian 3 Coral palette, and I'm gonna use just some of these neutral shades in here. First going in with this shade right here. Just gonna blend, and these are like really super crazy pigmented. So now going in with that deepest shade in the palette with a really small little blending brush, and I'm just going to further kind of deepen the crease just a little bit. Now going into the Lusk for Dusk ColourPop palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here just to pop on that lid. Now it's time to wing it out. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Pen Eye Pen. I haven't used this pen in a while. Make sure, okay, I just needed to make sure that it wasn't dried out because it's been a while. Whew, there's just something about a wing that just makes me feel sassy. Are they a perfect match? Absolutely not. Do they still look amazing? Absolutely, yes. I'm going in with the ColourPop Mr. Bing eyeliner. I like to use this for my waterline. This color just looks so incredible with green eyes. Oh yeah, we are looking sultry now. I'm gonna go in with that first shade that we used, and I'm gonna use this to just blend out that lower lash line. And just for a little added pizzazz, I'm gonna go in with this like light icy blue shade for that inner corner. I just feel like this is gonna just, I got an eyelash. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. It doesn't come off like super blue. It almost comes off a little bit silvery. Because this is a Valentine's Day date, I do wanna add a little extra sparkle. This is the Midnight Cowboy Heavy Metal from Urban Decay. So you can see to the inner part of that lid, like just right here, almost like feathering it into the eyeshadow. Gorgeous. Just a little bit of sparkle goes a long way. I'm going to go in with my current new favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High Cosmic Black Mascara. It's so good. I'm going to put on some Ardell Wispies. I'll be back. Ardell Wispies never, ever, ever fail me. Now it's time for lips. First, going in with the Milani Most Natural Lip Liner. I feel like ever since I got this, I use it almost every day. It's just one of those lip liners that just looks good with everything. Going in with the Revlon Obsessed Lipstick. This is number 27. Oh, I love this. Oh, so pretty. To finish it off, I'm going in with the Too Faced Melted Longwear Lipstick, and this is in the shade Melted Sugar. Just put it right in the center, and it gives more of that ombre, just like makes the lips look poutier. My last step in my makeup routine is always setting my makeup, going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And just like that, this makeup look is done. What do we think? I think it looks gorgeous. Now, I gotta go do something with this head of hair, y'all, because she looking a little rough. I am going to do a quick wash because my hair just needs a fresh wash. I'm actually going in with the Living Proof line. This is their curl shampoo and their curl conditioner. Hair is clean, and I forgot how much I love that shampoo and conditioner. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go in with the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. This is a leave-in spray from Living Proof that I have loved for many years, and it is definitely time for me to color my hair. I've got so much gray coming in. It's absolutely insane. Going in with just a little bit of their curl defining cream, literally about that much for all of my hair. I'm gonna go in with their curl defining gel. This is what I like. I like to really make sure to use a good holding gel. And of course, you guys know I always scrunch with a t-shirt towel or a microfiber towel. All right, curls are looking fabulous. Time to diffuse, and I'll be back. We are just about dry. I know it looks a little crazy, but I'm going in with their Curl Moisturizing Shine Oil. This is also from that same Living Proof line. And this is what I'm going to use to scrunch and to shake out my roots. I really have no words. These results are incredible. Wow. Okay, I gotta go find an outfit to wear. I was trying to figure out what I should wear. Should I go casual? Should I go a little dressier? And I forgot about a jumpsuit that I got over Christmas. I think that's the outfit. Now I just have to find it in this sea of mess. Hold on, is that it? No. Ah, here you are. Finishing up with a little bit of jewelry. All of these pieces are from Ana Luisa Jewelry. Do my big fat hoops that I had on in the beginning. And then this little ring right here from Ana Luisa. And let's go take a look at the full outfit. Okay, let me see if you can get the whole ensemble. Is this not the cutest jumpsuit you've ever seen? Oh, I'm in love with this. This jumpsuit I actually got from Fashion Nova during their Black Friday sale last year, and I am just obsessed with it, and I haven't worn it yet, so what better time than on a hypothetical date? Ha ha ha. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, of course. And make sure to check out
Formula
1006 at your local Ulta and pick up some affordable, effective skincare goodies. And that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Peace out.